Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where for some reason you keep getting your Android apps that keep crashing. Now, this can happen for many different reasons out there, but I'll go and break down a few ways to fix this. Now, it may look like this, it may look like this, whatever the application you're using. The first thing I would recommend doing is understanding which application it is. In this case, I have a Google application right here, Google Camera, and I installed the APK separately from the App Store, and this application keeps crashing. If that ends up happening and you installed an APK separately from the Google Play Store, that app may not be compatible anymore, so just keep that in mind. This app is not compatible here, so it's just one of those things I have to keep in mind. Now, to quickly go ahead and troubleshoot this, the first thing I'd recommend doing is going through, making your way over to your settings panel like this. You want to go under apps, which is right here, and what you want to do here is you want to go ahead and find that application that's causing you issues. So in this case, what you can do is you can just go ahead and find whatever app. So let's say it's Chrome, right? Chrome keeps crashing on me. What you want to do is you want to click into Chrome and you want to go ahead and force stop this application. So go ahead and click force stop right there. Go and click OK. And this application will now be force stopped. So what you can do now is go back into Chrome and hopefully the application should now be working. Again, it's not a guarantee, but that is one of the things you can do. Now, if it's a random application like phone or messages or something like that, you may just have to go ahead and restart your phone. So hold down the actual power button of your specific phone. You want to go ahead and restart it, and that honestly should probably end up fixing it for a lot of you as well. Again, it's not a guarantee, but that's another thing you can go and look into. Now, if it's an application like Instagram or Snapchat or any of these other apps that kind of like a social media thing, you may have to do one of two things. Either make your way over to your Google Play Store, find the application like this, and go ahead and update the application if there's an update for it, or you may be in a situation where the application is actually stuck in a server down situation. So the servers may actually be down for that application, and all you have to do there is pretty much wait until the servers are back up, and that should end up fixing it for you as well. If you're still having issues and it's a lot of applications crashing, you may be either running out of storage on your phone so you can clear out storage. You can also make your way back into your settings application like this, click software update, and you want to download and install the latest update on your phone as well. And that's another thing you can do in this specific case as well. So that kind of covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.